clearance to establish protocols for safety. Understanding the principles of pressure and gas laws is fundamental. Proper training is essential before attempting any underwater activity. Key equipment includes a mask, fins, and a buoyancy control device, BCD. The BCD manages your position in the water column. A regulator delivers breathing gas from the cylinder at ambient pressure. As depth increases, ambient pressure rises. This affects air spaces in the body, such as ears and sinuses. Equalization techniques are mandatory to prevent barotrauma. Buoyancy is controlled by adjusting the volume of air in your BCD and LOX. Neutral buoyancy allows effortless movement underwater. Positive buoyancy brings you to the surface. Negative causes descent. Constant monitoring of your gas supply is critical. Plan your dive to ensure sufficient air for the descent, bottom time, ascent, and safety stop. Never exceed your planned limits. Ascend slowly to avoid decompression sickness. A standard ascent rate is 18 meters per minute or slower. Incorporate a safety stop at 5 meters for 3 minutes. Every dive requires careful planning. Consider factors like depth, time, gas supply, and environmental conditions. Dive within your certification limits and experience level.